welcome to KV School Education. So before that unit 1 we discuss about the town mouse and the country mouse. That is your first lesson of class 6 of 7. Now the second lesson is C.V. Raman, the pride of India. So before I will start the lesson, I want to tell you children to take the pencil and underline the hard words and find out the difficult word meanings, and you should write in the notebook. So C.V. Raman, the pride of India, you have some 6 pictures are given. First you look at the following pictures. See the pictures. The first picture is APJ Abdul Kalam. He is a scientist. Okay now. Next, Srinivas Ramanujam. He is a mathematician. The second picture is a Srinivas Ramanujam, mathematician. And the third picture is C.V. Raman. He is a scientist. And fourth picture is Homi Jahangir Baba. He is a scientist. And the fifth picture is Rakesh Sharma. He is a astronaut. Rakesh Sharma is a astronaut. And the last picture is Kalpana Chawla. He is also an astronaut. Okay now. So the first picture is PJ Abdul Kalam, scientist. Second is Srinivas Ramanujam, mathematician. And third one is C.V. Raman, scientist. Homi Jahangir Baba is a scientist. And the fifth picture is Rakesh Sharma, astronaut. And sixth one is Kalpana Chawla, astronaut. Okay, these are the pictures in the first page. Now turn the page, we will start the lesson about C.V. Raman. On the busy Bobazar street in Calcutta, there was an old building. It was a headquarter of Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. So on the busy Bobazar street, what is there? There is an old building. It is an headquarter of Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. So in the December fine evening, what happened? In 1927, there was an excitement in one of his laboratories. So there was an excitement in the laboratory. So Chandrasekhar Rao Venkataraman was showing visitors some of his instruments. So suddenly who entered in that laboratory? K.S. Krishnan entered and he said that Professor Compton has won the Nobel Prize. But C.V. Raman was very busy in his laboratory for showing the visitors the instruments. The K.S. Krishnan entered and he said that Professor Compton has won the Nobel Prize. So Raman was equally delighted. Excellent news, he said, smiling at the visitor, and then he was lost in thought. So what is the meaning of lost in thought? Lost in thought means he is very busy in his work. He is not concentrating in the other work. But look here, Krishnan, he turned to the young man. If the Professor Compton is turned of X-ray, it must be true of light too. So what he said? He said that Professor Compton has won the Nobel Prize and compound effect is the true of X-ray. So a few years earlier, A.H. Compton has shown that nature of X-ray changes when passes through the matter. So what Professor Compton has said that? He said that the nature of the X-ray passes through the matter. So the change was dependent upon the kind of the matter, and they should be changed in the kind of the matter. That is called as an compound effect. The change of the matter is called as an compound effect. So could light also change in the nature when passes through the transparent medium? So what he is saying? He is saying that when the light passes through the nature, the transparent medium, he said. Then after the question was that asked by the Raman. For 5 years he had been doing research in the opt, the science of light. He has been doing from past 5 years the research about the science of light. So no sophisticated equipment was available in the laboratory, but Raman was confident that he could find the answer with some modification in his equipment. So anyhow, sophisticated means highly developed. So he have very less equipment. In the olden days, they have very less equipment, but now means because of this technology improvement, we have so many equipments. In the olden days, we didn't have so many equipment. With that few equipments only, Raman have discovered the science of light. Okay. Next, 4 months later on March 16, 1928, Raman announced his discovery of new radiation. Then 4 months later, he discovered the new radiation, that is behavior of beam light passing through the liquid chemical. Assembly of Scientists at Bangalore. So where did he discovered? At Bangalore he discovered. The world hailed the discovery as a Raman effect. For scientists research in this country, it was a little later day. So when he was doing the research at that time, it is a very important day. That time he discovered the Raman effect. So he discovered the cause the attention of world without the equipment, worth hardly rupees 200 limited facilities. Raman was able to make discovery which won him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. So with very less equipment, with less money, with 200 rupees and limited facilities, he was able to make the discovery and he won the Nobel Prize in the physics, that is in 1930. So Raman was born on November 7th, 1888 at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. His father was a physics teacher in a college. He was a brilliant student right from the start. So when was Raman born? Raman was born on November 7, 1988. 1888 at Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu he was born, and his father was a physics teacher in college. And right from the beginning only, Raman was a very brilliant student. So when Raman passed his matriculation, his parents was keen to send him abroad for higher studies. But on medical ground, British surgeon advised them, and Raman stayed in the country to do MA course at Presidency College in Madras. So actually when he was completed his exam for higher studies, he want to send to from other states. But the British surgeon said that you don't send outside, that is don't send him to abroad, just you do him MA course at a Presidency College in Madras. So then he was sent to Madras for MA. Science has already made an impression on him and began to write research paper for Science Center. When he was only 19, he became the member of Indian Association for Cultivation of Science. At the age of 19 years, he became the Indian Association member. At the age of 19 only, become the member of Indian Association Cultivation of Science. Then after respecting their parents, he decided to do administrative job in the Finance Ministry in Calcutta. Because of their parents' force only, he was doing the job. And at night, what he is doing? He is doing the work in the laboratory. In his youth, Raman was mainly interested in acoustic. Acoustic means the sound. That is the sound of science. Science of sound or sound of science. He studied how string instruments like violins and sitar could produce harmonious music. And he also researched on the that is acoustic, that is the science of sound, that is sitar, violin and harmonious music, how it is going to produce the music. He was elected to the Royal Society of London in 1924, and Raman was elected the member of Royal Society in the year 1924, and British government made him the Knight. Knight means a man of high social rank. Man of high social rank. Who made him Knight? The British government made him the Knight of British Empire in 1928, and he was honored for the great scientist. So then after that some days he won the Nobel Prize, and he became the first Indian scholar, and wholly he received the Nobel Prize in India, and he was the first Asian and the first non-white to win such a great award in the science. And he passed away. Passed away means he died in 1970, that is on November 21st. But his memories are with us. So February 28th is celebrated. February is celebrated as a Science Day. So Raman effect is celebrated as the national day to commemorate his remarkable achievement in science. So anyhow, if Raman died, passed away also, we are his memories are with us, and we are going to remember him forever. He is a first Indian scholar, and he have received many Nobel prizes. Okay. So if you like this video, just comment. If you like this video, just comment in the. If you have any doubt in the lesson, just write in the comment box. If you like this video, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.